welcome back to Sadie's Sassy Reptiles. This is part 2 of my elephant sanctuary video. If you missed part 1, make sure to go check that video first and then come back to part 2 because you can't watch part 2 without watching part 1. This video will start at lunchtime. It was a buffet and it was delicious. It's vegan and vegetarian and there's Asian and Western food. My favorite was the French fries and watermelon. They also had some really good noodles and they have coffee, tea, water, and ice water. Stay tuned to the end of the episode to see who I got to meet. The Elephant Nature Park doesn't just save elephants, they also save dogs, cats, water buffaloes, and cows. After we ate lunch, our tour guide showed us where the cat sanctuary was. So we saw the cats. They are really nice, they had a really good habitat, and I got to hold some of them, and there was this one cat, it was gray, and it was really, really fluffy, and its face was flat, and it stuck his tongue out like this the whole time.
Where's Kitty sleeping? Oh, with this little tongue. Look at his little tongue.
Definitely my favorite part of the afternoon was watching the elephants take a bath in the river, especially the baby elephants. They played like humans. They were knocking each other over in the river, and then the grandma elephant was making sure that they were behaving. One time the baby got in trouble by the grandma.
Boy leg 7 years old, Shampoo 4 years old, Sai Tong about 10 years old. These three, they are very naughty. Don't run this side, girl. Okay. Yes. Also, it's beautiful though.
You want your water?
Yeah.
What drop?
All right.
At the end of the day before we left, our tour guide took us to the dog sanctuary. The dogs were really nice there. They were adorable. And if you like dogs and cats, you should go check out my Paws for Compassion videos from Vietnam. I'll leave the link in the description box below.
Yeah. They want y'all to come in.
got to meet Lick. She's the founder of Elephant Nature Park, and she's been in documentaries, she's won awards, and she travels all around the world to promote the elephant sanctuary. She's the most important conservationist in the whole world for Asian elephants. Thanks for watching Sadie Sassy Reptiles. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you watch this video, you should comment down below because I will respond. And you can also follow me on Facebook at Sadie Sassy Reptiles, and I'll respond on